Dear traders, here I am going to tell you about the details of my broker that I am using or working with, that is Exness. If you want to open your account with them, why you will be using that broker and what features it have. I will be discussing the whole detail in this video. So this is my special video. Let's go towards that. This is Exness. If you are interested to open any account for your trading, then Exness is the best broker to use or to work with, right? If you want to open your account with them, they will have the 5 options of accounts. There are few accounts, they are standard accounts, they are standard and standard sent, feature rich, commission free accounts that suits the needs of today's traders. You have to simply sign up and experience the advantages of our most popular account. And there are few professional accounts. They are raw spread, zero and pro account. They are flexible choice between raw spread model, zero spread and zero commission for experienced traders, scalpers and algo traders as well. This is fast and reliable execution provider, and it gives transparent price history as well. Instant withdrawals you can take 24/7 by using this. So let's move towards the accounts and instruments. There are few accounts that are mentioned here, the standard accounts. Let's suppose we will go into the trading accounts which are standard. As I told you in my previous videos that there are few accounts that are commission free accounts that suits the needs of today's traders. So here I will be introducing the standard account, which is the most popular account and great for all types of traders, whether they are beginners or whether they are using this trading account for many years. Minimum deposit, it depends on payment system. Its spread starts from 0.3. There is no commission for this standard account. Maximum leverage is 1, unlimited, and instruments they are using are forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energy, stocks, and indices. Open MT4, MT5 account for that, for standard account. For standard send, that is the next account designed for new traders, and they can trades with micro lots to get started. So it depends on payment system what will be the minimum deposit. Its spread starts from 0.3. There is no commission for that, and maximum leverage is again unlimited, and instruments are forex and metals. Reasons to choose standard accounts is if you are new to trading, our standard account have a great choice for you, and our most popular accounts have market execution, stable spreads, and no recourse. Minimum deposit depends on payment system, this I have told you already, and minimum lot size should be 0.01 for the standard account and the same for the standard sent as well. Okay, this is all the details that is given here. As you can see, you can use it even for the from the mobile app by using Exness Trade app. Okay, if we go into the professional accounts, I will tell you how it works. In the professional accounts, again, there are accounts that meet the needs of the most experienced traders. Highlights include low spread or spread free accounts with execution to suit scalpers, day traders, and algo traders. There are 3 types of accounts here: raw spread, zero, and pro account. The raw spread account is the lowest spread with fixed commission per lot, and market execution mean minimum deposit it needs $500, and commission it will take $3.50 each side per lot. When you will be opening zero account, then zero spread on the top 30 instruments, market execution no recourse. It also needs $500 minimum deposit, and its commission is $0.2 each side from per lot. And if you want to open your account with pro account, that is the instant execution account with zero commission and low spread, but your minimum deposit should be $500, and there will be no commission at all for this account. So if you are going to open your trading account with any broker, do use Exness for your own trading, and do not forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.